Every morning Mr. Sneeze woke up, sneezed, got up, sneezed, got dressed, sneezed, went downstairs, sneezed, ate his breakfast, sneezed, and went to work. Still sneezing. "Oh, well, I don't like sneezing all the time," he thought to himself every day, until one day he decided to leave Coldland and try to find a cure for the sneezes. So, that very same day, Mr. Sneeze packed the things he'd need for his journey, mainly handkerchiefs, sneezed, locked his front door, sneezed, and set off. He walked and sneezed and walked his way across Coldland, and then he sneezed and walked and sneezed for days and days, until Coldland was far behind.